Ikubo, welcome to our YouTube channel. I want to show you how my husband lose my head. Jesus, baby, come on, cut the hair in there. Video? Who want to make the video?
Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. If today is the first time of coming across our channel, my name is Sharon.
And my name is Chris.
And you're welcome to Sharon and Chris TV. So guys, today my husband is helping me out in losing my hair. This man, my husband material, 100 years. I know so your hair done big now.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mommy, what are you doing?
I'm losing my hair. Daddy is helping me out.
Okay. Giddy.
See that pop.
Okay.
Now down.
Never start. Don't they sit down.
I'm tired.
Sit down now.
Do you think that's easy? If I see that, I will not cut it very well. So let me finish cutting it. When I start looking at it, I will sit down. Okay?
Okay.
Take good care.
Okay.
Mama, what are you doing?
It's a cartoon.
No, baby.
What God cannot do.
No, not disease.
What God cannot do.
It's not disease.
Does not exist. See,
Yes.
what God cannot do
It's not disease.
does not exist. Bravo, Cynthia. You say moto bravo, okay?
Unu asụgbukwana m ndị Italo.
Abi. So
Baby.
Give me a gist, huh?
Now so you dey lose your girlfriend and hair that time.
For Nigeria,
Anywhere.
you should be say, say the difference between girlfriend and wife.
My brother, they lose their hair.
Nah,
So that time they lose their hair. They tell them say.
Okay, because I did lose your own, then I don't miss I dey lose all woman hair. You know what I'm saying?
You gonna tell them say.
Wait, let me make you
As
understand.
if you leave me, you don't see any man wey go oga. If you leave, you go see man wey go lose hair. Abeg.
Yeah. See your mouth. See what I know you do before man. So because they lose your own head, now don't be say.
No, nah.
I
That
lose your
time.
my head. My dear, make I tell you what make me they lose your head.
Uh-huh.
But if I talk, I make your head not big. I just say, no, every woman that be idiot. When they tell me something.
Who never idiot, my brother.
Okay, sorry for that. Not every woman not too good.
Who get sense.
Thank you. So what make me lose your head? We say you not my girlfriend with my wife. So as the day when you agree to be my wife, now that day my body and your body don't why one of your part live with me. So we
My brother,
we
my
do
full part.
everything together.
My full part live with me.
Okay. You tell the word though. Now they hear that. They hear man.
No, what to make I like you be say, what to make I love you.
Okay.
If I tell you, I know say your hair, but they swallow.
Okay.
God knows as he be me, he can't give me you.
Okay.
So and I dey grateful for that. But maybe tomorrow now, if you change, I change give you sha. So
So this
na.
is what you have to tell my fans.
Oh,
Man.
my brother,
Man.
see,
Oh my
ma tell you, any man wey love im wife, you go dey help am. You go dey help your wife, because woman wey dey do, we wey be woman, we dey try.
The only thing is that me, people grow in different way and in different manner.
Yes.
So for me, anything I have chance and I know that I can do, I don't consider whose person duty. Or is either man or woman, you understand? So
Yeah.
I do everything just to make sure that I keep myself busy.
Okay.
So that's
Guys, see you later when we are done. Ready or not? It's not yet. Hi, babies.
No. Tell the world that I don't know how to lose it.
You know how to lose, but it's paining me. Mr. Man.
Mr. Woman,
Ọ̀gbẹ́ni.
must pay.
Hey! Ọ̀gbẹ́ni.
Hey, baby.
Yes. Today,
Ọ̀gbẹ́ni
I'm
Mbu is my friend.
very
Baby,
happy.
dead.
So guys, we're almost done. Thank God.
Look at the phone. Shift the phone back. Shift the back.
No, I don't know.
So we are still on the matter. Still losing the head, okay? It's not something that just do 1 minute or 2 minutes. It's something that you handle with care. You can lose anyhow, anybody own anyhow, but when it comes to your wife, you handle it like egg with care. So that you know injure her or harm her.
I'm tired, sir. Oh.
Where you go to salon, where they charge you per hours, how they lose it. You know that you will not be tired. You want to say too far, so that the hours you do it.
Sorry. This is my phone.
Oh! Atomiata. You are disturbing me. Wait.
Sorry.
When I finish, you start doing that thing you are doing. Okay?
You're not catfish English.
Aquí yo no parle catalán. Oh.
Oh my gosh. Princess they come, they won't clean everywhere. Guys, please subscribe, support our nation. Yowie!
Very important.
Baby, he purposely they do this thing. Why now?
No.
He purposely they do Jare.
No, why? Sorry. Leave it, I don't have to do it.
Which kind leave it? Ọ̀gbẹ́ni.
You know the problem of hair, when you are losing hair, you have to lose it according to the way they plait the hair. When you lose it with the other side, that's when you pain it. So don't be, you see it, don't be annoyed.
Try that again. I'm gonna beat you.
You beat me with your
Yeah.
mouth. Sorry.
Baby.
You beat me with your mouth.
No, so you don't tire, you don't dey do aluani. This one na aluani.
I never try. Na me cut, na me lose. For baby say.
I help you.
Eh? You talk about now, you may finish this one, make I see how many hours you go take you. No, you don't put hand because you say don't sleep down, the mess more.
My hair don dey grow. Guys.
You baba me again.
I like barbing than plaiting.
My dear, no woman where your husband died.
I will edit this side comot. I go leave am make your friends dem see wetin dey talk. Aye.
Sorry, who cares?
Aye.
My brother, I be my sister. I come alone and I go alone. And I don't care whatever any fucking body is saying about me. Oh.
Aye.
See you. Oh, am I? He say if people don't talk about you, that means you are nobody.
Exactly.
Oh. What's my business? When you talk, you take your mouth. Doesn't buy fuel, no oil. It's allowed, it's free, okay?
Yeah. Said, my hair don't grow.
After 4 years, and 5 years.
Mama, she. Baby, stop.
Sorry. You're making trouble, okay? See?
2,000 years later.
Thank you.
You not even say hi, guys. Bye for watching.
Thank you guys for watching. Hey, let me go and wash my hair now. Subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, comment, and support us. See you in our next video. My hair is growing. See you in our next video. Thank you. Oh, I fine, Sha. No makeup, no filter, and I fine like this. Thank you guys. See you in our next video. Please like, share, subscribe. Okay, stay safe and be good. Love you. Mwah.